The first guy that's teaching me hardscape is teaching me how to do these crazy patios with so much detail and love. Wow, if this is my mentor, how far am I going to get?
It's been very important to have mentors. You bringing this platform to everybody. That's something that wasn't here when I started, elevating everybody to the next level.
You know, a lot of guys that are hesitant of hopping into groups, you know, whether it be financial reasons. I think, you know, making that jump is the biggest thing. You know, just believing in yourself, or at least surround yourself with people. You're never going to stop learning, and that's the biggest thing.
What you're doing here with Hardscape Mentor has been life-changing for me and for my company. It really is allowing us to take ourselves up a notch, and as well as this industry up a notch.
Having the Facebook group to be able to go live in, be like, hey, I'm running into this issue, or, you know, how would you guys do this curve, or whatever, and having real-time feedback from people all over the country, it just makes my life so much easier having that at my fingertips.
And now with the app, being able to go through out in the field and look something up, that's going to be awesome.
You know, as far as Hardscape Mentor, I see big things, man, just for all of us, man.
The fact that you have that amount of skill, that amazing skill, and you don't mind teaching it to others, I really do appreciate you for that.